Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to check Spotify account email. So for this, the first step is to open the Spotify app on this Android device, or you can also open in iOS device. So from when it's open, you will just go in the top left corner. You will see your profile icon with the blue sign. So you will just click to there on the top left corner. So you will just again click to settings and privacy. In the last option you will see the setting here. So from here you will just tap to account. The first option is account. So from here this is only shows your username because I will on free plan. So if you want to see your email address and password, you will just buy the premium package of this Spotify app. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.